Hello and good morning. So here today we're going to start with exercise number 3E fraction chapter. So the first question from exercise 3E, that is, a line AB is a length 6 centimeter. Another line CD is of length 15 centimeter. What fraction is the length of AB to that of CD? So firstly we have to find the length of AB, and then upon we have to write the length of CD. That is first. Secondly, 1 by 2 the length of AB and that of 1 by 3 of CD. So half of AB and 1/3 of CD we have to find out. And then we have to write in a fraction. Then the third one, 1 by 5 of CD to that of AB. So okay, first term we'll be writing in the numerator and second term in the denominator. So here we'll start solving it. Now we'll solve the first one. Firstly we'll write length of line AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, length of line AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Then length of line CD is equal to 15 centimeter. First term, okay, it was written the length of AB to the length of CD. So length of AB to length of CD. So AB is 6 by 15. Okay, AB 6 and CD 15. So 6 by 15. We have written in a fraction. Now if cutting is possible, then make it to the lowest term, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. I can write 2 by 5. Okay, so first answer. So it was written the length of AB equals to 6, length of CD equals to 15. Now length of AB to the length of CD. So this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Numerator 6, denominator 15. Now 6 by 15, make it to the lowest term. So I have cancelled the number with the table of 3. 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15. So numerator 2 and denominator 5. So this is the answer of the first point. Now second one. It was written half of length of AB, half of AB. So half of AB means half of means multiplication AB, that is 6. 6, half of 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. In the numerator what left? 3 centimeter. So what is the half of AB? That is 3 centimeter. Now it is written 1/3 of CD. 1/3 of CD, that is 1 upon 3 multiplied by 15. So 3 1s are and 3 5s are 15. In the numerator 5. So 5 centimeter. So you are clear with that? Half of AB is equal to 3 centimeter. 1/3 of CD is equal to 5 centimeter. Is it clear? So what is given in the question? We have to write half of AB to 1/3 of CD. Numerator to denominator. So what is the numerator here? Half of AB, that is 3 centimeter. 1/3 of CD, that is 5. So answer is 3 by 5. Okay. So firstly I have to find half of AB 3 centimeter, 1/3 of CD, that is 5 centimeter. Then write 3 by 5. Okay. Now the third one. It is written in the question 1/5 of CD. Now it is very clear with you how to find the 1/5 of CD. Like 1/5 multiply by CD. CD is equal to, yes, CD is equal to 15 centimeter. So we'll write 15 centimeter. Now which table? 5 ones are, 5 threes are. That is 3 centimeter. So therefore 1/5 of CD to that of AB. So this is numerator, this is denominator. 1/5 of CD 3 centimeter and AB, only AB, so here 6, and write 6. Cancellation possible? Yes. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, here 1/2. Fraction we cannot write in any of the unit. So let's go through with all of them. Length of AB, length of CD, 2/5. 2/5. First answer. Second, half of AB to 1/3 of CD, 3/5. And third answer, half 1/5 of CD to AB. Yes, 1/5, that is 1/2. How come? 3/6, cancel, 1/2. Final answer. Okay. So the second question, subtract 2/7 minus 5/21 from the sum of 3/4, 5/7 and 7/12. So here, firstly you will find this answer and then this answer. Here you have to subtract, you have to add all the three of it, all the three fractions. Yes, denominator not same, make it like fraction and then subtract, add it, add all this thing. Here subtract, here add. Okay, so when you got the final answer of this and this, minus it. Okay, so you have to do one by one. Like here you have to subtract this by this, and here you have to add all the three of the fractions and then subtract this from this. Okay, so here we start. So we'll start first. 3/4 plus 5/7 plus 7/12. This we have to minus 2/7 minus 5/21. So this is the question. From this term, this you have to minus. Now we'll solve this first, making the denominator same, that is 84 is the LCM. So 3/4 multiplied by 21 will get 84. So here we'll write 3 into 21, that is 63. 4 into 21, that is 84. Plus 7 into 12, 84. 5 into 12, 60. Plus 7 into 12, that is 12 into 7. 12 sevens are 84. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, for your understanding, I'll write here 21, 12, 7, 7. Like this way. Like 3 into 21, 63. 4 into 21, 84. 5 into 12, 60. 7 into 12, 84. 7 into 7 49, 12 into 7 84. So 84 denominator same here, minus, now this side, like 7 3s are 21, 3 in the numerator, so we'll write 21 in common, 2 3s are 6 minus 5 by 21. Okay, we'll zoom out slightly, like 63 plus 60 plus 49 by 84 minus 6 by 5 minus 20, like by 21. So add all these three, you will get 172 by 84 minus 6 minus 5, 1 by 21. Now again make the denominator same, multiplying by 4. 21 multiplied by 4, 84. Okay, so make the denominator same, like here 84 in common, 172 minus 4. Okay, like fraction, earlier it was unlike fraction, make it like. Then 172 minus 4 by 84, so it is 168 by 84. 84 ones are, 84 twos are, so 2 is the answer. Cancellation, 84 ones are, 84 twos are, 168. So 2 is the answer, final answer.